So when we were asked about presenting this, we tried to go through what helped us be successful with using Defined. Defined Learning is a platform that we found very helpful in supporting teachers with project-based learning. And these were some of the things that we identified that we needed to have to make it successful. First was support from leadership, support from Defined Learning. We also have a STEAM coordinator that is very supportive and a point person for our teachers when they have questions, and then teachers that are willing to participate and be fully engaged in using the platform. From leadership, having the financial resources to be able to support project learning. There's usually some small items that are needed that may or may not be in the classroom already. We also need space to support projects and presentations. Some of the presentations are done on a computer. Some of the projects are more hands-on and they're building items that take storage space. With being a middle school, some of our teachers have up to 150 students a day. So having a space to store those items is really important. Ms. Gibson, Ms. Yarley, do you have anything to add to that slide?
No, you pretty much covered it.
Okay. We also found that having time to plan together, part of project-based learning is making sure there's interdisciplinary connections where they fit naturally. So allowing time in the schedule for common planning and evaluation of and reflection is important to make project-based learning work in general, and Defined Learning specifically benefits from that. We also need access to technology. Defined Learning is an online platform. So if you don't have access to an online platform, that makes it very difficult to interact with the work.